Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is inevitable. It's pronounced in-e-v-t-able, and it is spelt I-N-E-V-I-T-A-B-L-E. Think in, then ev, then it, and then able. Inevitable means certain to happen or unavoidable. For example, day will inevitably turn into night, and vice versa. Inevitable comes quite simply from the Latin inevitabilis, meaning unavoidable. Can you think of any examples of inevitable events? Perhaps it is inevitable that you will attend school classes today, or you will inevitably have your favourite breakfast every day this week. One of the most famous inevitable events in film history occurred in the Avengers Endgame. You might have seen it. Thanos works tirelessly to ensure that no matter what the Avengers do, he will always reclaim his gauntlet and be able to use it to destroy half the universe. He even uses time travel to go back and ensure it will happen. This leads to him famously claiming that he is inevitable, or so he thought. Inevitable can be a noun and an adjective. For example, you could say, trouble was inevitable when all the children were let out to play. Or you could use the word inevitable as an adjective and say, the teacher accepted the inevitable when he saw the wave of children running towards him. Inevitable is defined in the dictionary as certain to happen and unable to be avoided or prevented. Inevitable synonyms include unavoidable, inescapable, unpreventable, fated, and predetermined. Antonyms include avoidable, doubtful, and certain. See if you can notice anything inevitable today. For example, if your little brother or sister is running around the house like a lunatic, you could say, it is inevitable that they will eventually fall over. Impress your parents by pointing it out as being inevitable. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.